Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find job openings at Twitch. So let's begin. So actually it's available at their website. So you can actually click over here once you are in the home page. Go to the upper left portion of the menu, click on the three dots, then it will show more options. And over here, just hover down, you will see jobs. You can click on that and it will redirect you to another page which will show all of the job openings. So you can read everything in here before you proceed so you can know if their benefits and perks are actually aligned to your life goals. So click on job openings. So you can see mostly they will need like senior positions. So there's project manager, engineers, and business development managers. So go ahead, choose any job openings that might suit your skills. And if hired, then congratulations. Okay. Uh, it's actually a big company. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.